farmhouse style is one of the sweetest and the most inviting, as its traditionalism makes any space super cozy. Wanna know how to create such a bedroom? Choose the color scheme you like, calm and pastel, or, on the contrary, bright and cheerful. Rustic and shabby chic furniture will be the base of your decor. You can also add some industrial pieces or decorations, they'll look good. To give your bedroom that special traditional rustic look, add natural and maybe rough wood and woven items. For French farmhouse style, go for refined vintage furniture and light textiles. You don't have to live on a farm to decorate in farmhouse style, you don't even have to live in a rural area. You just need to embrace the casual feel, nod to tradition, and underlying heart of the country vibe that typifies this welcoming, warm, and easy decorating style. Here are 50 bedroom style to inspire you as you decorate your own farmhouse retreat.